In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Gmail link in Canva. This is a quick way to make an email address in your design clickable so that when someone selects it, their default mail app opens with a new message ready to send. It's perfect for resumes, flyers, digital brochures, and any design where you want people to reach you instantly. Start by opening your Canva project. Add a text box and type the Gmail address exactly as you want it to appear. Keep it clear and readable, and double-check spelling because what you type is what viewers will click. Now click to select that text. Right-click on the selected text and choose Link. In the link field that appears, type Mail to, followed immediately by the Gmail address, with no spaces. For example, mail to your email at gmail.com. Then press Enter or click Done to apply the link. That's the entire setup. A couple of quick tips to avoid common mistakes. Make sure there aren't any spaces before or after the address, and be sure that mail to includes the colon. Uppercase or lowercase in the email doesn't matter, but accuracy does. If you don't see the link option in the right-click menu, look for the chain link icon labeled Link in the top toolbar and paste the same mail to format there. If you want to customize the message your recipient sees, you can add optional details like a subject line or a short body. For example, mail to your email at gmail.com. Subject, hello and science and body, thanks and 40 reaching out. Replace spaces with % or 20 so the link works everywhere. This step is optional, but it can save your audience time and helps you organize responses. Here's an important note about exports. Clickable links are preserved in PDFs and Canva websites. If you download as a PDF, either standard or print, open the file and click the address to test it. You should see your email app open a new message to that Gmail address. If you export as PNG or JPG, links won't be clickable because those formats are flat images. For the best results in sharing, use a PDF or publish as a Canva website. That's all you need to do. By turning a plain Gmail address into a mail to link, you make it effortless for clients, students, or collaborators to contact you directly from your design. Keep the address tidy, use the mail to format exactly, and choose an export that preserves links. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.